CandyCam is essentially a company that makes multimedia robotics. And our first product, the Skyhook, is a platform that you basically have a cable-based system. You clip it up in 4 points, and you can fly it around the room. So you have a camera gimbal in there. You can point it anywhere you want. And for filmmakers, it combines a lot of the functionality they're used to with cranes and sliders and things like that into one compact mobile unit that's really easy to set up. So they can do really complex movements and complex shots that they would have no other way of doing. So,
we just spent 8 hours setting up a very simple shot that was less than really 2 minutes of usable video. There must be an easier way to do that. The question to me was, how do you make a stabilized robotic, robot that rolls on the floor? And then what came out of that is, why do it that way? Why not do it using the ceiling and ropes where, it's like our room we look at right now. Look at all the stuff on the floor. Yet the ceiling is wide open.
The initial product was, I believe, a weight on a string was, because you have to do a lot of the mathematical testing. So everything from identifying the materials so that you create spring systems that create, wobbles in the platform to where do you put your motor assemblies. So you start out small, you do a lot of the mathematical modeling, and then you start prototyping pieces. So we have 2 3D printers that we use to print, casing out. We used a lot of the Arduino parts. People are getting more into the, circuitry of things, and the technology is becoming more advanced and easier to get into. So a lot of that was in our prototyping process. We actually create everything from scratch. So anything from, we've laid out blocks of aluminum on lathes for eyelets and things. We take Delrin to make the reels. Each model, we're on the 9th platform right now, so each model had a significant amount of changes, and even how we built them, anywhere from the materials that we use to the code to the tech that's in each and every single unit. We'll do a whole chassis change or a scaffolding change. And we break them out approximately every 3 weeks. So we have almost brand new designs every 3 weeks.
So by providing a 3D printer, we're able to quickly prototype ideas. And in general, what's interesting around here is not what we do with the 3D printer, it's all the stuff we throw away with the 3D printer. I mean, if we print 10 or 20 things, maybe one of those 20 really gets used. And ultimately, a lot of that will get thrown away too. So you're constantly breaking. And about the time you build one, you look at it and go, here's what I could have done differently. I think if you build a good culture, you have, that's the pearl of great price. If you can build something where bright, creative people can go, walk through brick walls and solve what seems to be problems that are, that are irresistibly hard, but still they call you.